Listen, stop. Before you drop $2,000 on a really expensive brand new camera, if you want to start to become a content creator in 2026, I think this is something that you might need to consider buying. The biggest mistake new YouTubers make isn't necessarily lighting, although it helps, isn't necessarily visuals, although it helps. The biggest mistake you can make is audio. Scratchy, difficult to hear, poor audio will kill a video in seconds. Now this mic here is really, really expensive. It goes all the way around here, over there, and then into a really expensive audio interface. But it doesn't have to be like that, because this is actually worth having and really, really cheap if you're starting off on your YouTube journey. Let me explain. Look, I get it. You sat there on Amazon, you're scrolling through 47 open tabs, comparing the different mirrorless cameras and the $10,000 Sony OSS G Master lenses. Been there, I do it myself every single day, don't get me wrong. But if you're starting off a YouTube channel, there's something that's more important that you're gonna need before you consider a stupidly expensive camera. Because it's not your camera that's holding you back from going viral. If you make a funny video and you say something really, really funny that resonates with your audience, and they can see you in beautiful 4K on the most glorious Sony camera you've ever seen in your life. This doesn't count for you Canon shooters, by the way. We're talking about good cameras now. I'm joking. Please flame me in the comments down below. But it's pointless if they can't hear you or understand what you're saying because you've got a really poor microphone. And I absolutely know. Go back 18 months and look at some of my earlier videos and you'll see comments on it saying, it sounds like you've recorded this through a wall, or is bro in the upside down, or so on and so forth. The audio quality was appalling. Learn from my mistakes. That's why I make them. See, the average viewer on YouTube will forgive less than crispy visuals. But trust me, they will not forgive less than crispy audio. And I know that because even when I'd fixed my audio issues, I was still learning to become a sound engineer, and some of my audios from some of the videos was high, some of it was low, some of it had been mixed, some of it hadn't been mixed, some of it had been corrected, some of it hadn't. And people noticed, and I got called out on it virtually every video, to the point where I thought, if I don't do something about this now, it's going to cause me a problem with my audience further on down the line. So I better fix it. So I did. I hope. Let me know. This FIFINE M9 Lavalier microphone kit, however, is probably the smartest 70 bucks you are going to spend in 2026 if you are starting out as a brand new YouTube or any other social media content creator. Think about the last video that you just clicked off at 10 seconds on YouTube. What was the reason for it? Was it because the person on the camera looked like a moose or was dressed in a cat mask? Or was it because the audio was appalling? I'm absolutely willing to bet, maybe not the cat mask because that video didn't do particularly well, but I'm absolutely willing to bet that the biggest issue, that the reason why you did it is because of the poor audio sound, or the poor audio quality, or the fact that maybe the guy couldn't actually speak or enunciate his words. See, the YouTube algorithm doesn't care how expensive your camera is. Replace the word algorithm for human being, and YouTube starts to make a lot more sense. The word algorithm makes it sound like there's this big machine deciding when you're allowed to have views and when you're not. The algorithm is just another word for viewer. The viewer decides. The viewer doesn't decide. This man is poverty-stricken and has a very poor camera. I will not watch him. You might decide that on the cat mask, however. But I can guarantee the algorithm or the viewer won't stick around if they can't hear you. Now, some of these professional systems can cost $3, $5, even $1,000. The DJI one is, I think, about $100 for the mic and about $250 for the receiver, although we've got the mobile receiver now, which is brilliant, don't get me wrong. It's still considerably more than this, and you can go up and up and up and up and up to more and more and more expensive ones as you go. And spending $1,000 on a brand new YouTube channel for a lavalier mic is insanity, because you don't know if your niche is going to work with you. You don't know if you're going to enjoy it. So for 79 bucks, why not? Now, this is actually a dual lavalier microphone system. And by dual lavalier microphone system, what we mean is you get two of them. for everybody watching, you're probably thinking, yes, I know what the word dual means, but I just thought I'd better confirm that just in case you didn't. So this is great though, because all jokes aside, you've got a receiver here, so you can plug this receiver into a camera like this, or you can plug it into a mobile phone like this. But you've also got 2 mics. So as an example, I could clip this one onto me, I could clip the other one onto Boy Wonder, and I wouldn't have to keep moving the mic between us, because that's what I do with the DJI one, I move it between us. Whereas we could just wear these, have the receiver on, the camera or whatever, and just naturally talk without having to worry about, have we got a microphone? Do we need to move the microphone? Is this microphone going to work? Brilliant for podcasts and when you've got a guest on your video. Also brilliant if, like me, you're a bit of an idiot and you don't charge one of them. And here's where it gets good. 656 foot of wireless range can literally get you to the opposite side of a football field and still have clean audio. You've got a 20-hour battery life to shoot all day, most of the night without worrying if it's going to die mid-take. It's plug and play, you don't need an app or complicated setup, it just works out of the box. And it works with everything. Cameras, phones, computers, you name it. And did I mention it's only $80? Yeah, I think I did. So what we'll do is we'll plug these in, we'll get Boy Wonder in, and we'll have a bit of a conversation together, and we'll see how it goes. And you can give me your honest opinion of what it actually sounds like. But here's my challenge to you. If you're starting 2026 as a content creator, as a new content creator, and you're struggling with bad audio and you're losing viewers randomly and you're not quite sure why that might be, then give something like this a go. And I am dead serious. I know that we have a laugh and a joke, but bad audio kills your viewers. It also kills any relationship you have with your viewers as well, because they think you're an imbecile. Which raises the question why I've got so many subs. Because I am an imbecile. I'll drop a link in the description down below. I think it's $80 at the minute, but I have noticed it goes on sale quite often as well. So if you've been thinking about it and you click it and it's on sale, just do it. I don't even think it's an affiliate link, by the way. Just to clarify, I don't think it's an affiliate link at all. And if you do get one of these and it does help your subscriber count, come back and tell me and let me know. Because it's brilliant letting you know, yes, this will work for you. But it's so nice to hear the success stories. There's nothing I like more when somebody comes back in the drone world and says, do you know what? You said this tune on this drone was really, really good. Well, actually, I went away, I tried it, and you was right. Because what I could do then is I can clip that up and take it to my wife and say, see, I was right. So we've now plugged in both FIFINE microphones into the receiver. We've plugged it into the camera. The camera's there, but we have a monitor over there. Boy Wonder, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
There you go, you see. So you've got 2 microphones now. One on me, one on him.
Hello.
I don't know if you can say anything other than hello, but hopefully you can hear the quality of it. Now, like I say, just bear in mind, it's not going to be as good as the boom that I showed you earlier, because that is a really expensive microphone into a really expensive audio interface. However, what you do have is a solution here that costs you $80 for both microphones. Can you believe that, Boy Wonder? $80.
Oh my God, that's a lot just for one mic.
What it means is that's really, really cheap, isn't it, Boy Wonder?
Yeah, I mean, the DJI is like very, very expensive.
So I was explaining to the boys and girls, Boy Wonder, that my microphone alone is like $400-500. Then the audio interface is another $300-400. So you can spend upwards of $1,000. And when you're starting out on YouTube from the very early days, to have 2 microphones of this quality for just $80 and a receiver that you can plug into your phone, your PC, your camera. This is actually plugged in to a monitor, which we then feed a cable through here that you can't see, and then that records in ProRes. So amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm saying lots and lots of words, and hopefully the audio quality is coming across. Boy Wonder's got the headset on to monitor the audio. It's almost like we do a professional show at times. Boy Wonder, what does it sound like?
It sounds pretty good.
What would you mark it out of 10 for, considering that the DJI mic costs more for just the mic?
Maybe a 8.5 because it's a bit echoey.
Okay, it is a bit echoey, but hopefully that echo will get taken out with the AI noise reduction.
Yeah.
I guess, I mean, this is a really, really echoey room, which is why we've got to have such an expensive microphone. I guess my only other question then, Boy Wonder FPV, is once this review is finished, should I give it away to the boys and girls, or should I give it to you?
Give it to me and
Or-
for boys and girls.
I can't give it to both.
Well, give one mic away and give the other
Yeah, but
one.
then you need the
to me.
receiver. So should I give it to the boys and girls, or should I give it to Boy Wonder?
Me.
Sorry,
Okay.
boys and girls. Boy Wonder TV has spoken. He has claimed the microphones as his own, but I will leave a link in the description down below. Like I said, I don't even think that it's an affiliate link. In the meantime, you've all been absolutely incredible. Boy Wonder, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're welcome.
Do you have any pearls of wisdom to give us?
I don't know what that means, but no.
Hang on a minute.
You wanna Google
I'll get
it?
Boy Wonder to give us a pearl of wisdom. 1 second.
Are you Googling it now?
Short quote. Just read that out. So grab all of it. So,
Okay.
right, so, Boy Wonder FPV, before we leave and finish this video, are there any pearls of wisdom that you'd like to share with the boys and girls?
Sometimes you forget that you're awesome, so here's a reminder.
You're awesome. You're awesome. I'm a bit weird. Thanks for watching.
It's true though.
Wait, what? YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.